We'll guide you through how to make text animation in PowerDirector. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the application icon to open the program on your computer. Click New Project at the top of the screen to start a new editing workspace. You will automatically be taken to the My Media section, where you can manage the files used in your project. If you need to add your own files, click the plus icon to import media into the library. Next, open the background images and browse the available options. Select an image that you would like to use as the background for your video project. Drag and drop it onto the timeline to place it in the editing area. After that, click the Titles menu located at the top of the screen. PowerDirector provides several title templates that already include animation effects, and you are free to explore them if desired. For this example, select plain text so you can create a custom text animation from scratch. Choose the default title preset and drag it onto the timeline above the background image. Next, select the text clip on the timeline and click the Edit button to open the text editing options. Change the text content to something appropriate, such as how to make text animation in PowerDirector. After entering the text, adjust its size and select the preset style that best matches your project. Once the text looks the way you want, open the animation panel to access the available animation controls. Inside this panel, you will see the in, out, and loop animation options. Open the in option first and choose an animation effect such as squeeze to control how the text appears on screen. Then open the out option and select an animation effect such as pop-up 1 to determine how the text leaves the screen. After that, simply close the animation panel. Next, click the View at Full Screen icon to preview the project more clearly. Click the play button to view the text animation that has been created.